Millions of barrels of oil are pumped out of the ground every day. But hydrocarbons don't just appear out of nowhere. It takes a flawless, millions of years old geological puzzle called the Petroleum System. It all starts deep underground with the source rock. This is an ancient, organic-rich sedimentary layer, usually shale, where microscopic marine life was buried, compressed, and baked under intense heat. Once cooked into liquid oil or gas, it expands. Because hydrocarbons are less dense than water, they begin their journey upward. This process is called migration, moving through cracks and permeable pathways. But to create a drillable reservoir, that oil needs a place to stay. It flows into a reservoir, rock-like sandstone, which acts like a giant stone sponge full of tiny connected pores. Finally, the trap must snap shut. An impermeable layer called a seal or cap rock stops the oil from escaping to the surface, holding it perfectly inside a structural trap. 5 elements: source, migration, reservoir, seal, and trap. If even one of these fails, the whole system collapses into a dry hole. Hit subscribe to decode more mysteries of the earth.